Hi, it's Sean with LUX Landscape Lighting. I'd like to talk to you about the brands of lights we use. There are lots of different brands of landscape lighting, and it seems I get an email every week about some new brand or some new type of light being introduced to the market. Stay away from those types of things because we like to make sure they're tested. Oftentimes we'll buy a fixture like that and put it in at our office and give it a year and see how it works before we would put it out on a job site. Brands we mostly use is FX Lighting, which is a light that's made in the United States. It's a California company, and it's a high quality fixture. And they have a couple different lines within their brand. They have the high-end brass integrated LEDs, which just are bulletproof, last a lifetime, but they do come with a price. And then the next step down, which is what we mostly use, is integrated aluminum painted fixtures. And these are really strong, sturdy fixtures. They'll last for quite a while and really perform well under all circumstances. And then the next light package they have are what we call the drop-in bulbs. So they're brass fixtures and where you can put in different LED lamps. And we tend to stay away from the drop-in bulbs. We feel that the integrated just is a much better system. It'll last longer, less headaches. We also work with Kichler, which makes a really nice lighting brand as well. Their lights are very sturdy and strong, put out a nice light quality. May not look as attractive as some of the other fixtures we use. They're a little bit plainer, but it is just a great workhorse. And it is a light that comes from China, so that's another option. And just be careful, any brand you look at with other manufacturers, just that they've been in business for a while, that they have a good warranty that comes with them. And just because a fixture weighs a lot doesn't mean it's good. That's another thing I've seen poor lighting manufacturers do, is they show you these fixtures that have a lot of brass in them, but the rest of it just isn't put together that well. So you have to look at all the details of the light, make sure it's polished and well built, and it'll give you plenty of good years of service.